This is the all-new MacBook Air powered by the M5 chip, and in this video I'm going to unbox it and let you know how it is useful and how has been my experience using different features. If you are an engineer or if you are a current student who is looking forward to upgrade or get a new MacBook or a PC for your engineering tasks, be it artificial intelligence, machine learning models, DevOps, or in general coding, how useful this can be and what all features are, I am amazed of. Let's go and unbox this. This comes with a cool packaging every time I unbox an Apple product. This is how it actually looks like, and now let me just try to open this up. So every Apple product, whenever we unbox it, it has a great experience that you get. So I'll just try and open it now. Now it's here. So whenever you open the box, right, so there's a special feeling and there's a sound that you experience. So this is the sound, and we have the MacBook Air in front of you, and here we go. So we're just trying to open it up. This is how it looks. It looks very sleek, slim, and I'll just try to open it. But apart from that, we get a charger. So it has dual pin here. You can see it. This is the charger, and this is the wire with a MagSafe. You can see this as well. Now let me just show you how the opening experience looks like, and this is how it is. So you can see the feeling for the first time whenever you open a device. So you have something like this, and it's starting up. And it's here. We have a hello from Apple. Now this is how it actually looks like, and I have already been a user of MacBook Air in 2021, and then I upgraded to M4 chip, and it was also great. I've also tried the Pro version. That was where I was doing all my company or the organization work, but this is the M5 chip inside MacBook Air. Now this is very lightweight, very handy for someone who is looking forward to move around, work on it, and for different use cases, right? Specifically for engineering, if you are a software engineer, if you want to start your software engineering journey, if you're a current college student, how this can be helpful, let's try and see. So before even starting up, you can see this is the look. We have two C-type charging cables as well as Thunderbolt ports, that these are known as, and you can connect to two displays at the same time. There's a jack for headset also, and this is the charging wire where you can put in your charging cable. And let's open it and try to see how can this be used or what are the different use cases. The typing experience on MacBook keyboard has always been great, and you can experience that when you have long coding sessions. Also the Force Touch trackpad, this also is massive. They are gestures, but these are buttery smooth. And honestly, if you want to learn macOS trackpad gestures properly, who would even need a mouse? Like, this is the mouse that you can use. But why it has been the talk of the town? Because of the M5 chip. Let's understand how this M5 chip is different and what all differences do you feel, because you are an engineer and you might understand all of these terminologies. It comes with CPU 10 cores total, with 4 super cores for heavy lifting, 6 efficiency cores for background tasks, and if we compare it with M4 Air, and it's 11% jump on the single core and about 14% jump on the multi-core. Also, if you're into AI machine learning, then there are 16 core neural engine inside this machine that helps you run Apple intelligence models, local ML model inference, and core ML pipelines. All of that can be done in this device. Now coming on to how it's useful for software engineers, basic coding and development, right? If you're just starting up, you're doing your coding questions on a device like this, you can run different softwares, be it Xcode or VS Code, IntelliJ, Jupyter notebooks, everything in this machine. They all run natively on the Apple Silicon chip, and it's blazingly fast. Apart from basic software engineering, if you're specifically into AI and machine learning, then this is the machine that you can work on running ML models locally using Core ML. You can also see Apple's MLX frameworks or even PyTorch with the MPS backend. You can see Hugging, if you're aware of Hugging Face, right? Hugging Face transformer libraries has solid Apple Silicon support now. If you're a student who is still doing machine learning experiments, you can do a lot of local building or fine-tuning experiments on this machine without even spending a single amount on cloud costs or anything else. Even for DevOps or containers, right? Now the Docker desktop for Apple Silicon is very, very stable, and this can run all your pipelines. Comes with two size variations, 13 and 15 inch. This is a 15-inch display, and the storage, right? Storage also also is very important if you are an engineer because there's a lot of things to store. It comes with 512 gigabits of base storage, like Apple has moved on from 256 to 512 in this edition. The SSD overall is faster, read-write speeds are comparably better than M4. I think all of these features make it a perfect device for an engineer like you who is looking forward to build, who is looking forward to run machine learning models, or if you are looking forward to start, right? Apart from that, there are certain other features like wireless connectivity is very seamless. It has a battery backup of around 18 hours. 18 hours you can run this machine non-stop and it won't stop. Now Apple came up with multiple different machines this year. One was Neo, one was Air, one was Pro. I think Air is the one which is suitable for students, or if you're an early career professional, or if you're looking forward to build something of your own, be it in engineering, be it in content, be it in video editing. I think this machine serves all of it. MacBook Pro might be for someone who is looking forward to build locally and extensively, maybe somebody with 10 years of experience who is using the machine extensively. And Neo is for someone who is from a non-STEM background, who just want to use the machine not for engineering tasks, but let's say basic documentation, PowerPoint slides and stuff. So Air is that perfect fit for somebody who is looking forward to do basic engineering tasks, start from it, build something, build a startup, build applications, run AI ML models. This is the machine for you. And one more important thing, if you're a content creator, I think for content creators also this falls into your category. You can handle light to medium video editing, also coding at the same time if you're a coding content creator. So this was MacBook Air with M5 chip. Let me know in the comments below if you have any doubts related to it, and also if you have been using it, let me know in the comments below what did you find good and what did you not find good about M5, and I'll take that feedback to the app.